When someone successfully submits your online form, you may want to send a confirmation email. Notifying that submitter is a great way to create a personal experience. Maybe you want to notify the submitter, maybe a colleague, maybe a client. Maybe you want more time to focus on the important things in life. By default, a submission summary is sent to the owner of the form. This can be turned off under After Submission, Emails. If you would like to send an email to someone else, including the person who submitted the form, we will need to create a custom email. From the form editor, we'll again go to After Submission, Emails, click the Add Email button. Then we'll fill out the relevant fields. Note that the field to and subject are required. Now, let's start creating our custom email. Notice the icon that appears on the right-hand side of each of our fields. If we click this, we're able to select a question field within our form. For the to field, if I select this icon, we'll see the email field appear in a drop-down menu. Selecting this then uses the process of answer piping. Answer piping will allow us to display our submitter's response elsewhere within our form. So, selecting my email field will then send this custom email straight to the submitter. We also have the ability to send this email to multiple email addresses. All we need to do is separate those email addresses with a comma. Now let's type a subject for this email. You can include a 𝗖cie and 𝗶𝗁 address. You also have the ability to alter the from address. By default, the from address will come from 𝗄𝗶𝘁𝗵@paperform.co. If you do alter the from address, you are risking email deliverability. It is recommended that we simply use the from name and reply to address instead. The email that you input into the reply to address field will be the email that any replies to this custom email will be directed to. If the submitter receives this custom email with the reply to address support@paperform.co, then when they click reply, they'll instantly be replying to support@paperform.co. Emails sent on behalf of Yahoo addresses will automatically fall back to being sent from the default Paperform address, noreply@paperform.co. This is because Yahoo does not allow emails to be sent by third parties. We have the option to select the content of our custom email, whether it be a custom message, solely that default submission summary we referred to earlier, or solely a receipt of payment. We also have the option to include that default submission summary in the email or a receipt of payment. Now let's look at the custom message section. If we click in this window, we can simply begin typing. I'll type hi, and then we're again going to use the process of answer piping. If I click on this icon here, we can see from the drop-down menu all of those question fields, as well as the submitted @ and submission ID appears. If I select first name, again, this is going to display the response from the submitter to a question field. In this example, the first name question field. I'll finish writing the custom message. And then we also have the ability to add images to our custom message. We can link text as well as images. And our agency users also have the ability to include HTML. You also have the ability to include one attachment to the email. And then we have the ability to attach custom PDFs. If you'd like to learn more about creating custom PDFs, ensure you click on the link in the description below. The next exciting feature is email logic. We have the ability to set conditionally when this email is going to be sent. I'll toggle on email logic, then click add condition, and I'll choose a question. I'll select my additional comments question, and when this question is answered, this email will be triggered to send. If the additional comments question is not answered, then this email will not send. we have the ability to add multiple conditions to our logic as well. If you ever feel like you need help from one of our support members, feel free to reach out by clicking on the blue chat widget icon, or take a look at our extensive list of helpful articles by clicking on the green question mark. That's all today. Good luck and happy form making.